This video will guide you through what's new with the enhanced rebuild performance in this version of the application. It will cover the rebuild changes from the previous version of the application, as well as the enhancements to the rebuilding notification and its performance speed. A dialog box is now displayed to choose to rebuild inspections created in previous versions of the application with the current version of the application. The application now clearly and intelligently displays which entities need to be rebuilt after changes to the inspection have been made. A change to the tolerance value shows that a section and a whole deviation entity need to be rebuilt. A change to the geometry type recognition value alerts the user that a section and a 3D GD&T entity need to be rebuilt. The speed of the rebuild function has also been greatly enhanced. The application now only rebuilds necessary entities instead of all entities as in previous versions. Visit Rapidform.com for more information.